Hey guys, Shane here with Hangar 8 Media. Today we're at the airport at KGVL, Gainesville, Georgia, which is also known as Lee Gilmer Memorial Airport. And we're at Hangar 8 here with Archie, sitting there messing around the hangar. My two sons are here with me today. Beautiful day, nobody's out flying. And I asked them, hey guys, let's get in the airplane and go fly for about an hour and have some fun. Now Zayne, my youngest, said that he's never flown Copilot in Archie. And I have to argue with him and disagree. I've got pictures, as you can see. He's flown in the front, not much, but he has flown in the front. And in our first airplane in Lulu, he flew in the front with me. It's a Cessna 150, so there is no back seats. He did fly with me several times in it, but he was always a little nervous. Archie's a pretty stable airplane, doesn't get thrown around as much as Lulu did. But he's gonna fly up front with me, and I'm gonna let him fly for the first time. I think in the past he was a little concerned about it, so he didn't want to touch the controls. Today he said he's going to take an attempt and fly the airplane. So let's see how well he does.
Well, I'm sorry, Preston.
It's okay.
Preston got the short end of the deal. His headset only works on one side.
My right ears really enjoy your voices.
All right, now we got Mr. Zayne up front. He's going to be our co-pilot today. Preston's in back. He's going to be our passenger. Now, guys, what did y'all tell me when I first asked if you wanted to go fly? What did you say?
No, not today.
Not today, and no. Now, I want to ask all of our viewers, especially if you're the age of, let's say, 12 and under, if your dad had an airplane and he asked you to go fly, would you say yes or no? We came to a compromise that we could all agree on. We're going to stop for blizzards after flying. So, today, there we go. Let's go ahead. That. Sure everything is on. And we'll go ahead and get our weather.
Gilmer Memorial Airport, Gainesville, Georgia. Remarks.
All right, we've got our weather. 3003 is going in the altimeter. And the winds are 260 at 8 knots. So we're going to go to runway 29er.
All right, so you guys are flying me, right? All right, now fly me to Vegas.
2116.
And Gainesville traffic, Cherokee 60, Quebec Northwest Hangars, taxi to runway 29er, Gainesville. All right, Zayne, you're going to take off with me, okay? You go ahead and put your hands up here. I'm on the yoke. Just feel it with me. Gainesville traffic, Cherokee 2460, Quebec. Departing runway 29er, straight out departure, Gainesville. Lining up, we're going to give it throttle and full power. Stay right on the center line. And our airspeed's coming alive. We're at 55. 60 is really trying to come off the ground, so 65. Look at that, Zayne. We are flying. All right, Zayne, look out the window. You are flying. Look at that. No hands. Look at that, Zayne. You're flying. Go that way.
Whoa.
There you go. Good job.
Gainesville traffic, Mooney 92 Juliet, taxi across 235 for 29er, Gainesville.
All right, Zayne, you are flying the plane. All right, let's look at this, guys. Zayne is flying the plane.
Hey, Gainesville traffic, 3307 is now left-hand turnout off of 23 Gainesville.
Where do y'all want to go? You just want to fly around?
Yeah.
Yeah? And go over our house?
Okay.
Okay. Well, do you see the high school down there? Right off the wingtip.
Services required.
You see it?
Roger, sir. We'll see you shortly. See you soon. Thank you.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
Right, let's see, we got cameras back on, and Zayne is...
Gainesville traffic, Skyhawk 06 picture. We are crossing runway 235 Gainesville.
You want to turn right? You can turn right. There you go. Remember, just little, there you go. Perfect, look at that.
Long County traffic,
There you go.
Skyhawk 70.
Hold it right.
On base.
Pull back just a little bit when you do it. Look at that. You're going to turn right and do a big circle. There is Kroger down there.
Memorial traffic. Hawker is turning a right final for runway 5. Gilmore Memorial.
What's a right final? All right, you want to turn to the left? Go ahead. Turn it to the left. Look at that, Zany. Doing a perfect turn to the left. 10 degrees. Perfect turn. And I see Murrysville, also known as Merville, off to our left. Alright guys, y'all about ready to head back?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's listen to the weather and see what we got. 0. Let's go ahead and head back. So we're going to do direct to, enter. Doing alright, Zany?
Yeah. Daddy?
Yes,
You know
sir.
I hope for your YouTube channel?
What is that, sir?
I hope you become the most popular channel on flying.
The most popular channel on what?
Flying.
Did y'all hear that? He says he wants us to become the most popular channel for aviation. Not just flying, but aviation, because everybody makes videos about flying. A lot of people put cameras in their airplanes just like we're doing now.
Yeah.
A lot of people make training videos on how to fly. But what we're trying to corner is the market of the about flying, the why, the airplane itself. What do you do when you own an airplane? Things that you never know because you might rent an airplane, or maybe just because you don't know anything about airplanes. And so that's what we're trying to dive into, is what makes an airplane fly, what's under the cowling, how do you maintain the airplane, how do you keep it all nice and pretty, things to do and not to do, and things that you can do legally by FAA's rules and regulations. So that's what we're going to dive into. But also, we like to do little fun videos when we go flying and let somebody like Zayne fly. I mean, how many 6-year-olds can say, hey, my dad's got an airplane and we go fly and he lets me fly it? Look at that camera and smile. That's priceless. Gainesville traffic, Cherokee 60 Quebec 3 to the north at 2,500. We're number 2, Gainesville. I've got our traffic in sight. Let's go ahead and turn our camera around the other way. We're going to land on 29er. And Zayne is going to help me land. So everybody gets to grade our landing. Doing all right, Zayne?
Yeah.
And Gainesville traffic 60 Quebec left downwind runway 29er number 2, Gainesville. And Gainesville traffic 60 Quebec left base runway 29er, Gainesville. And Gainesville traffic 60 Quebec final runway 29er full stop, Gainesville. Alright, we're going to fly it down level and then pull the nose up just a little bit and it'll just settle right down. Just like that. Let's turn this back around. Can you give me a high five? Actually, a high five, I'm sorry. That was my fault. You did a good job. Zayne flew the plane. And it rhymes. Alright, we are at the fuel station, also known as the fuel farm. We're going to go ahead and turn our radios off.
Alright, that was fun. Thank you guys. And now, we're going to throw some fuel in the airplane.
So next time we can fly again.
That way, yes, next time we can go fly, or whoever gets in the airplane doesn't have to put fuel in it. They can just get in and head out. All right, we're back. We got Archie back in the hangar. Both boys had fun. They agreed that it was fun going up and, you know, just seeing everything down below from a different perspective. I feel blessed to be an aviator. I'm very blessed to be able to have an airplane, a partnership with some other guys, and just extremely blessed to be able to take others up to go fly. And it's just, it puts a huge smile on my face to take people up, especially for the first time. And we do Young Eagle flights with our local EAA 611 chapter here in Gainesville. And I always sign up for that as long as I've got time and availability, but I love taking these kids up for the first time, just seeing the big smile on their face. Parents are in the back seat taking pictures. We all just have a great time. So I encourage you, if you'd love to take a flight, go to EAA.org and look up Young Eagle flights. Find a local EAA chapter near you. There's chapters all over the country. They're actually all over the world. There's international chapters as well. And some chapters do monthly Young Eagle flights. Some chapters aren't as big, so they don't do that many, but we still hold them. Here in Gainesville, we do a couple a year. But if you want to fly, you can always contact EAA directly. That local chapter directly, and we'd be glad to set up something directly with you and your parents. So like I said, if there's something that you just have a passion for and you meet those qualifications for the ages of 8 to 17, EAA will supply you with a Young Eagle flight. And that's EAA chapter members like myself donating our time, our fuel, and our airplane to take you up flying, just to give you the experience of what flying and general aviation is all about. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. Please drop some comments down below, hit the like button, and make sure you subscribe so you can see more videos about what we're doing here at Hangar 8 Media. Thank you and have a great day.